My second conversation.
My family.
Who all are there in your family?
Mother, father, brother, and me.
Whom do you love the most in your family?
I love my brother the most.
What does your father do?
My father is a businessman.
What does your mother do?
My mother is a housewife.
Who plays with you?
My brother and father plays with me.
How old is your grandfather?
He is 67 years old.
Does your grandfather tells you a story?
No, because he lives in village.
Who is the head of your family?
My father is the head of our family.
What kind of family is your, big or small?
My family is small.
Do you have sibling?
Yes, I have the sibling. I have one younger brother.
Do you play with him?
Yes, I play with him.
Do you take care of him?
Yes, I take care of him.
What is the name of your sibling?
His name is Devansh Krishna.
Is your family a happy family?
Yes, my family is a happy family.
Thank you.
You are welcome.